All right, hey lovelies, it's your girl Nikki with Nikki Savory Vegan Eats. Never mind me with my messy bun, not musty, messy bun. I just dropped off some plant-based lasagna, and this is Andy. Andy is gonna be a taste tester, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna be it.
And we're gonna see if we're gonna get Jose, because Jose over there looking like a suspect. He don't know for sure yet. So they're gonna use Andy as the guinea pig. Okay, so I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna show y'all this right quick. Okay.
All right.
Okay. So.
Yeah, spatula in the back.
All right. So do you have a spatula in the back?
We
I think they say.
have anything.
Check if we have one all the way in the top.
All the way in the top? All right, let me.
Y'all, this is funny. See, this is what I like about sharing vegan plant-based dishes with people that you're looking at it like, I don't know. I'm gonna show y'all what it looked like real quick. This is my pecan and lentil lasagna. Okay, so they are about to try it, and hubby over here laughing, and Jose looking like he's like, I'm gonna follow you, Nikki, but he was like, it smells good. That's what he said, y'all. It's really, really good. Okay, Andy, you ready? Okay, so go ahead, because y'all, they didn't have a spatula in the back, but there's some forks. There's some forks there, too.
It smells really good.
It smells, wait, say it in the camera to my viewers.
It smells really good.
Okay.
If it was a blind test, I don't think I would tell that the smell of this is just vegan. You know?
Yeah, this is vegan. This is lentils and pecans.
Really?
Yes.
Oh.
Look at that action, y'all.
Wow.
And get the fork. Jose, can I get your reaction?
Yeah,
Look at Jose. Jose over there standing there looking suspect, y'all. He's just looking from far away. He's like, it smells good. Okay. I know. I wish y'all had a spatula.
We don't have.
Try another fork. Maybe get 2 forks. Yeah, there you go. Great suggestion, honey. So get it at that end. Like, yeah. And then get your plate. Here, I'll help you out. Okay, got the spinach in there. All right. So just try that. Okay. All right, here we go. That's the verdict, y'all. He's smelling it, of course. You gotta make sure it's legit. Jose said, don't smell it, just eat it.
Hot.
It's hot. It's hot.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, it's really good.
Andy, you're not vegan, right? It's really good?
I'm not vegan.
Now, y'all, I don't know Andy from Adam. I just met him.
I eat my veggies,
You eat your veggies?
but I'm not vegan.
Okay.
Right? But this is really good.
Pecans and lentils. Thank you. Oh, wait, Jose. I see you sneaking over there. You got to give me some camera action. Now he want to get a corner, y'all. Ain't that about something? Ain't that about a blip? Come on, Jose. Now, Jose and I was talking before we was chopping up, so I told him I was going to bring this lasagna.
We could do it. We do have to special order the part for you.
Well, what was that? What?
This thing is good, man.
This thing is good?
I'm surprised this thing is so good, man.
You surprised it's so good?
None of you are gonna get this anymore, man.
It has to be one of the best sauces I ever tasted in my life.
Are you serious, Andy?
Jose, be honest.
I'm completely,
Dude, come and taste this, man.
I don't need to taste it.
I'm completely serious.
I already know.
This has to be one of the best sauces.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, this is really good.
Thank
This is
you.
authentic because they're not vegan. So
Yeah, that's authentic. They're not vegan,
Tell them what
y'all.
we ate for lunch, man.
What y'all eat for lunch? Go ahead, no judgment.
We went to Chipotle.
Chipotle, okay.
I got the beef barbecue bowl.
The beef barbacoa, whatever it's
You know,
called.
you got the barbacoa one, right?
Barbacoa. Okay. Oh, look at that, y'all. Look. I'm telling you. Wait. I'm telling y'all. They not vegan. My second time meeting Jose and then Andy is, look at them. Look at this.
I'm with it, man.
He killed it. On the spot. That makes me feel so good, y'all. He multitask. Wait, you
Computer guy. I'm eating.
Jose said he multitasking and fixing computers. Okay, so I
used
just
to work at one of the nicest Italian restaurants in the city.
yeah.
This sauce.
Oh
You
my
asked
gosh.
me This sauce is better, and I know the flavor memory because I used to make this sauce.
Oh my gosh, are you serious?
I'm really serious.
Andy, you got a girl humble over here. I appreciate that. Thank you so much. Thanks for just trying it. He is like literally getting a plate. If he wasn't on camera, he probably would like just lick it, y'all. Look at Jose. Oh,
No,
Jose.
I'm gonna get some Pat Pat.
Okay. Y'all, your girl's so happy. I love those reactions, y'all. Genuine reaction. They're genuine, authentic. Not like literally they don't know me from Adam. Like I said, I just met Andy, but my second time meeting Jose. And Jose got seconds, y'all. Look at this.
Man, tell Jones to get some of us.
Yeah. Jonas gonna have to get some. So
I
okay.
get my second course later.
You get your second
I
course.
have to
Okay.
finish
Thank you,
mine.
Andy. Appreciate it.
Thank you so much.
Oh, you're welcome. Well, y'all, the verdict is in. He said it's really good. Wait. Jose, wait, what you say? It surprised you?
Actually, it surprised me. That thing is really good.
Thank you, y'all. All right, I'm about to go on here. We're going to have to get out of here. I just had to let y'all know. Made believers out of non-vegans, y'all. Your girl, Nikki, with Nikki Say Your Vegan That Eats is signing out. Talk to y'all later. Bye.